The Social Security Administration has announced last-minute updates to its upcoming identity verification changes. These updates reflect the agency's commitment to improving customer service, especially for the most vulnerable populations. Acting Commissioner Dudek emphasized the importance of listening to feedback from customers, Congress, and advocates. The changes aim to streamline processes while ensuring security and accessibility. This announcement comes as part of a broader effort to modernize the agency's operations and address long-standing issues with identity verification. Let's delve into the specifics of these updates and what they mean for Social Security beneficiaries. The Social Security Administration has decided to delay the implementation of the new identity verification requirements. Originally set to begin on March 31st, the start date has now been pushed to April 14th. This extension allows additional time for employee training, ensuring they are well prepared to assist customers. Notably, there are exceptions to the in-person identity proofing requirement. Applications for Medicare, disability, and supplemental security income, SSI, will be exempt, as multiple opportunities exist during the decision process to verify identity. This change aims to reduce the burden on individuals who may face challenges with in-person verification. Under the updated policy, individuals applying for Social Security disability insurance, Medicare, or SSI, who cannot verify their identity online will have the option to complete their claims over the phone. This eliminates the need for an in-person visit to a Social Security office. However, those applying for retirement, survivors, or auxiliary benefits will still need to prove their identity either online or in person. The agency will enforce these requirements, except in extreme dire need situations, such as terminal cases or prisoner pre-release scenarios. A process is being developed to allow documentation and management approval to bypass the policy in such cases. To prove your identity with Social Security, the primary method is through the My Social Security Account portal. If online verification is not possible, claims can be initiated over the phone, but some may require in-person verification at a Social Security office. Acceptable documents for identity proof must be current and include your name, identifying information, and preferably a recent photograph. Examples include a U.S. driver's license, state-issued non-driver identification card, or U.S. passport. If these are unavailable, other documents like an employee identification card or health insurance card may be used. More information is available on the Social Security Administration's website. In addition to identity verification changes, the Social Security Administration plans to expedite the processing of direct deposit change requests. Previously, online changes were held for 30 days, but now they will be processed within 1 business day. This improvement aims to enhance efficiency and customer satisfaction. Furthermore, the agency has resumed debt collection through the Treasury offset program, which had been suspended due to the COVID-19 pandemic. This program collects delinquent debts owed to federal and state agencies by intercepting payments. Resuming collections is part of the agency's commitment to being good stewards of taxpayer funds. As part of its modernization efforts, the Social Security Administration is closing dozens of field offices across the country. Leases for 47 offices, including those in Arkansas, Texas, Louisiana, Florida, Kentucky, and North Carolina, have been or will be terminated. Despite these closures, Acting Commissioner Dudek downplayed the impact, noting that many were small remote hearing sites serving few members of the public. The closures align with the Department of Government Efficiency's focus on reducing waste and addressing fraud within the Social Security program. These changes are intended to streamline operations and improve service delivery.